Welcome to the Leading Sight News.
Kardom, Pinili the Leading Sight News Abirta Gatan Ponjia Bang Nili Sami Sermlin Therapy. Apramsi the Leading Sight News and Kelangdun do Anabang for Bang Pepansita, Kardom Nang Piglok Kardom. The Indian Catholic Youth Movement National Youth Sunday was celebrated across India. Likewise, Christdoti Catholic Church Dogmoka Youths also celebrates the National Youth Sunday at the Paris Church. The ICYM or Christdoti Paris Youths took part with the morning prayers, followed by Holy Eucharistic celebration by Reverend Father Sajan Thomas, Paris priest, along with Reverend Father Samson Teron, the assistant Paris priest. Nearly 300 youths participated from different villages. On this occasion, the new elected ICYM office bearers of Christdoti Paris leaders took an oath swearing before ICYM Youth's Director, Reverend Father Samson Teron. The new office bearers are Ansu Topto President, Bidisha Teron P Vice President, Christina Teron P General Secretary, Rohan Topto AGS, Moheshwar Rongpi Treasurer, Francis Teron, Liturgy and Spokesperson, Renjuna Sangma, Liturgy, Donald Teron, Office Secretary, Saralyn Sangma, Office Secretary. To make more grand of the celebrations, the youth organized different party, games and gospel dance. News Desk report, the Leading Sight News.
Catholic bishops of India have dedicated the second Sunday of August as the National Youth Sunday. On this day, the young people are asked to celebrate their youthfulness, their energy, and their life and faith in the church. On this day, the young people are to organize in a festival mood to celebrate their faith, their life, and their fellowship, so that they'll reach out to people, they'll reach out to young and old, and show that they stand for Christ and they stand for the church. And also, they organize themselves and orient themselves to the proper goal of their lives. On this day, at parish level, zonal level, regional level, and national.
Hello! Come on! Come on, come on! Oi Rohan, ইয়াত পানী অলপ লাগিব আকৌ এটো ফিল আপ কৰিবি ওই ভালকে ধরিবে ওই চলো 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 অলমোস্ট What team it was? What name? What name? St. Peter. Kitna hai bazi? Very bossy. Very smartly. They have to make two lines. Smart work. St. Peter already finished almost. Their team is almost done. What do you think? Rest there, too. What do you think?
as treasurer of ICOM, President Boris Dogmogan. I do solemnly affirm that I will do the best of my ability to execute the duties and responsibilities assigned. I shall bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of ICOM, President Boris Dogmogan. As by law established that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of ICOM, President Boris Dogmogan. I take this place fully knowing my responsibility to live up to the trust placed in me and work for the welfare of the movement. Thank you.
Pini the leading side news pen ki paklang pon a birta la puan sa kang ton pon iglo do me thak me cardom.